Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use mint leaves on your face. Mint is a wonderful natural ingredient that can truly benefit your skin. It's known for its refreshing and cooling properties, which can soothe irritation. Plus, mint contains natural antiseptics that help keep your skin clear and healthy. We'll cover how to prepare and apply it for the best results. First, let's get your mint ready. Choose about 10 to 15 fresh mint leaves, ensuring they are clean and vibrant. Rinse them well under cool, running water to remove any dirt. Then, you'll want to create a paste. You can either crush the leaves using a mortar and pestle or blend them with a tiny splash of water until smooth. This paste is what we'll apply. Now for the application. Make sure your face is clean and dry. Gently apply the mint paste evenly across your skin, paying extra attention to any areas that might have blemishes or feel irritated. Let this refreshing mask sit on your face for about 10 to 15 minutes. Afterward, rinse your face thoroughly with lukewarm water until all the mint is removed, revealing refreshed skin. Before fully incorporating mint into your routine, always do a patch test on a small area of skin to check for sensitivity. Avoid applying the paste too close to your eyes or other very sensitive areas. For best results, use a mint mask 1 to 2 times per week. If you experience any irritation, redness, or discomfort, simply discontinue use. Listen to your skin.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.